students, welcome to Vajanti Study. Today I am going to teach you question answers from our English book Honeycomb chapter 3 questions. Question number 1. Why was the king advised to go to magicians? Answer is some people said that the magicians could look into the future. If one knows the future, it is easy to decide the right time for doing something. The king wanted to know the right time to begin something. So, some people advised the king to go to magician. Question number 2. In answer to the second question, whose advice did the people say would be important to the king? Answer is, in answer to the second question, the wise men had given different answer. Some said that the king's counselors were the people whose advice was important. Others thought the priests were more important. A few others chose the doctors. Some said that the advice of the soldiers would be important to the king. The hermit's answer was the best. He said that the person present with the king was the only important person. His advice would be important. Question number 3. What suggestions were made in answer to the third questions? Answer is, in answer to the third question, some said science was the most important affair. Others chose fighting, and yet others advocated religious worship. The hermit's answer was the best. He said that the most important affair is to do good to the person before you. The hermit believed that man was sent on the earth for this purpose alone. Question number 4. Did the wise men win the reward? If not, why not? Answer is no. The wise men did not win the reward because none of their answers could satisfy the king. Question number 5. How did the king and the hermit help the wounded man? Answer is, the king and the hermit removed the man's clothing. They saw that there was a wound in his stomach. The king washed the wound. Then he covered it with his handkerchief. Yet the blood kept on flowing. So the king redressed the wound. At last the bleeding stopped. The man felt better. Now he wanted to drink something. The king gave him fresh water. After this, they carried him into the hut and put him on the bed. Question number 6. Who was the bearded man? Why did he ask for the king's forgiveness? Answer is, the bearded man was the king's sworn enemy. The king had killed his brother and seized his property. He wanted to revenge his murdered brother by killing the king. The king had washed the bearded man's wound. He had covered the wound with his handkerchief. He redressed his wound because the blood kept on flowing. The bearded man felt grateful to the king. Therefore, he asked for his forgiveness. Question number 7. The king forgave the bearded man. What did he do to show his forgiveness? Answer is, to show his forgiveness, the king promised to help the bearded man. He promised to send his servants and his own doctor to look after him. The king also promised to give him back his property. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you.